This is a small IoT device that reads temperature and humidity and has some buttons to help control the display. As you can see from the device, it's actually quite difficult to see the little controls, but once we put an AR display on it, they become quite clear. And not only that, we can control the device from the AR. By pressing a button, you can see that it updates. The device is slow to post its reply, but the temperature will turn off on the AR as soon as it gets a post. But then we can also control the AR from the device by pressing a button on the device, and you'll see the AR actually come back. Diverium uses advanced image recognition to allow you to add information to real images and objects. Simply take a picture, add the information you want to associate, and view it right on the object in augmented reality. Diverium's image recognition displays complex digital information right where it is most useful to you and the people you wish to share it with. You can personalize memorable objects, such as GIFs or greeting cards, with your own video message. It's simple, just take a picture, add your video, and share. Use Diverium to reference hidden information that you wouldn't want left in the open. Commercial users can create user instructions or add commercial video directly to a label. Enhance marketing brochures with video and digital information. No need for coding or learning a design studio. If you can take a picture with your phone, you can use Diverium.